Hi everyone, welcome. Today I have AirPods 4 and I'm going to show you how can you easily edit your gestures. First we have to scroll down to our control panel, then we have to hold our finger on Bluetooth twice. Now we have to go into Bluetooth settings. Now we have to go into our device info. Now, as you can see, press and hold AirPods. You just have to click on it. And now we can edit if we want to switch between noise control and Siri. If you want to switch between noise control, we can edit what you want to edit and switch to. We can edit it in both left and right earbud. Apart from that, we can change call controls. For example, answer call, press once. Mute and unmute, press once or press twice. And call, press twice or press once. That's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.